Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage local listings with Moz Local, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, visit the Moz Local website. Sign up for an account if you don't have one. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the dashboard.
Click on the Add Location button to begin managing your listings.
Enter your business information, including name, address, and phone number. Make sure to check for accuracy at this stage.
Next, choose your business category from the provided options.
This helps search engines understand what your business does. After entering the details, click Submit to add your location. Your listing will now be processed by Moz Local. Once processed, you'll receive a status update. You can monitor your progress on the dashboard.
Next, go to the Distributions tab to manage where your listing appears.
Select the directories where you want your listing to be featured. Moz Local partners with several platforms for maximum visibility. Review suggested locations and make your selections. Once you're satisfied, click Distribute Now. Your details will be submitted to the selected directories. After distribution, monitor your listings regularly. Use the Health tab to check for any issues. Moz Local will alert you if there are any inaccuracies. Make necessary updates to ensure consistency across all platforms. Utilize the analytics provided in your dashboard for insights.
These will help you understand how your listings are performing.
Adjust your strategies based on the data you gather. Repeat this process regularly to maintain your online presence. Consistent management of local listings helps improve search visibility. Stay proactive in managing your business information online.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.